Hello, welcome to UDC Mobile. This video will cover the basics of setting up validation lists in the UDC Mobile console. By the end of this video, you should have enough information to create and assign your lists. To start with, let's review the types of validation lists. A simple list comprises valid entries for a field being entered by the mobile user. This could be a job lookup, a task, or any list you may have. A hierarchical list is where lists are dependent upon each other, as in this example. In this state, city, street, number example, once a state is chosen, only valid cities within that state can be chosen for the city field, and so forth down through streets and numbers. Please note, whilst a list is assigned to a field on a form, a list can be used by more than one form. To get started, launch your browser and log into UDC Mobile. When you log in, you are presented with the main page. In this exercise, we are focusing on validation lists. Select the Validation Lists tab. Select the Add button in the lower right corner of the screen. The fields are: create a name. If it is a simple list, leave the parent file empty. If it is a hierarchical, type the name of the file the list is linked to. Select Save. Now we'll look at creating entries in the list. There are two methods for populating a validation list. The first is to manually add, change, delete them, whilst the second is to import the list. In this example, we will cover the manual process. In our example, we have selected jobs from the validation list menu. Select the Add button and the Add Validation List item appears. Add the value and description, then press the Save button. Value is what is displayed on the mobile device, where description is a reference to it, as in Department 101 and Accounting. Continue to enter as many into the list as required. When you are finished, your screen will look something like this. The entries will be reflected at the mobile device using this list when the user selects the gear icon and updates form definitions. The mobile devices will automatically perform this function based on the update interval they set on that very same screen. Importing files to replace or update entries allows you to automate this process. Please refer to the Help tab for specific instructions on that process. This concludes this video on setting up validation lists. You can now proceed to defining any other configurations. Should you require further details on this, please refer to the Help tab.